When plasma cutting, you'll hear terms like clean versus sever cut, which is kind of self-explanatory. A clean cut will give you a clean edge on the bottom. It might leave a little dross, but that dross easily pops off or chips off. However, a sever cut leaves a lot more dross on the bottom and it's harder to remove. You'll also find that plasma cutters are rated at a clean cut measurement. So this plasma cutter is rated at 3/8 with a clean cut, but you could cut 1/2 inch with a sever cut. This is an example of a clean cut. And remember, read and follow all labels and your owner's manual. So there is a little bit of dross on the end here, but you can see it pops right off and it gives you a nice clean cut.